In this guide, we'll show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. You might have received a gift card as a present or purchased one yourself, and now you want to add the balance to your Roblox account so you can start using it. The process is simple and can be done directly through the Roblox app. First, open the Roblox app and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Then tap the More option in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Help and Safety. Then tap on Help. Next, use the search bar and type Redeem. Then search for it. From the results, select How to redeem and spend your gift card. Scroll down until you find the link for roblox.com/redeem and tap on it. Once the page opens, scratch off the code on your physical card, or copy the code if you received it online. Now enter the code into the Redeem field and tap Redeem. Your credit will then be added to your account instantly. And that's it. It's that simple to redeem your Roblox gift card on mobile.